Hello everyone. An iPhone comes with its maintenance charges and we understand. It's pretty much high. So, we have a new product called iPhone Cable Protector to keep your lightning cable safe from breakage. We are giving you a brief on how to use the cable protector. The steps are as follows. Hold the one end of the cable. Hold the cable protector from the hard bolt side and start rotating it till the end, so that the bolt side comes to end, and slowly apply it till the end. Make sure no space is left between the spiral. If you want to get high quality of protection, then don't stretch the protector. Similarly, grab the other end of the cable and hold the protector from the bolt and hard side and apply gently to the end. Without giving it a space. And it is done. So this is the process followed to apply the cable protector to your lightning cable. 5 minutes of work adds years to the life of the cable.